Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler. It is July 19th, 2018. Thank you for joining me for another climate change and clean energy video blog. Now for this segment, I'm going to do a follow-up on a forecast that we talked about earlier this week, and the forecast was that temperatures in the central US were predicted by some models to get into record hot ranges. And it appears that these predictions are being realized today and will continue on through a number of days for the central and southwestern US as a upper level high pressure system builds over the region and then shifts toward the west coast. Now, this graphic that we are looking at here is from the National Weather Service, and it's showing an excessive heat warning for the Dallas-Fort Worth region. And for today and through Sunday, it's showing a potential for high temperatures ranging from 100 to 109 with heat indexes from 102 to 111. And note that there are a number of safety tips provided for reducing your risk of heat injury and, in the worst case, potential loss of life. So please exercise caution if you're living in this region. I'm going to flip over here and give you some of the forecast highs in comparison with record high temperatures, and note how some of these forecast highs are in yellow, and many of them are well above previous records. So it looks like for this region, we're going to see some record breakers. Now, moving out to a larger picture of the West for today, this is a model run. It's a regional model called the HRRR, and it's showing that temperatures in the 100-degree range are expected to blanket large portions of the southwest and central United States, with the most intense heat settling in over Texas and Oklahoma, with also a very intense hotspot in Southern California and strong high temperatures in through the Central Valley region. So if we advance, we see heat shift a bit to the west as the heating of day moves along with the sun. So these temperatures are well above average, and according to GFS model forecasts for today, for the Texas and Oklahoma region, these temperatures will range from around 5 to 14 degrees Fahrenheit above average. And for tomorrow, will range from around 9 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit above average. And that's very strong heating for peak heating during the day, and will likely be enough to set off new record highs in a number of locations. Now, shifting out again to look at some of the synoptic features, we notice that there is an upper level high pressure system developing, and this is indicated by the clockwise flow in this upper level winds map at the jet stream level. And this upper level high pressure system is enabling quite a bit of heat to settle into the central US, and over the coming few days it's expected to linger and strengthen before shifting west into next week. Now, as I stated in a previous video blog, there are a number of climate change related features that are contributing to this heat wave, one of them being overall additions to atmospheric greenhouse gases, which are now enabling records being shattered across the world. And we're going to talk about a bit about this in a follow-on post, but from a global perspective. But the more local climate features that are enabling this heat wave are very warm sea surface temperatures. We'll go ahead and flip over to that. Very warm sea surface temperatures off the U.S. West Coast, which are enabling ridge patterns to form, and much reduced sea ice in the far north, which provide a pathway for upper level air masses to exceed typical ridge ranges and venture far into the north. And these features enhance heat waves and droughts for the U.S. West and are a notable climate change related feature. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to talking with you soon.